loving technology, and they are loving ChatGPT. But here's the thing. If your listing agent is using only ChatGPT to create your listing description, I have to be honest with you, it's a problem. ChatGPT uses so many filler words. And guess what? The realtors and the buyers, we are actually reading it. This is not a Harlequin novel, though, people. You don't need an 800-word description that is mainly filler words. Let's start really bringing it back a little bit. A true listing description. Hit the important parts. And for God help us all, please, please, in the area that it says directions, I don't need you to suggest an app. I need you to give me actual roads.